my love, my lovey, my husband, Mr. Senya. Every time I think of you, two praises always in my mind. My answered prayer,
my
and true
answered
love
prayers,
praise.
and true
Everyone who
love
knows
praise.
me, family and
Everyone
friends,
knows me,
they all know
family
how
and
long I've
friends.
waited for
They
something
all
like
know
this.
how long
For someone
I've waited
like you.
for something like this. For someone like you.
Sana maging masaya ako palagi.
Yes. Ay, wala na. Lock ka na. Love you.
Salamat King 22 months.
My love, salamat King 22 months nang yan maging forever na. Salamat kasi ika yung kinumpleto, yung kahulugan ng masayang biye. Ika yung pinakamasanting na dintang at milyari kayong biye ko. Habang buhay kong pasalamat King Ginoo na iking binye ng biggest blessing.
Kung ating magkamali kaya kayo, ating neto nga magpasensya. Ay tamo, love you.
Love you so much.
And now,
Now that you're here, I'm not just
all
thankful.
those waiting,
I'm overjoyed.
all those waiting years suddenly
Because
make
finally,
sense.
everything I prayed
Grabe,
for
no?
has a name.
Who would have
and
thought
it's you.
na yung matagal ko na
My
palang pinagdarasal, matagal ko na palang kilala, at suya pala Lelen ng elementary ko. Classmate ka pa, high school.
Didn't make sense.
It's like running through an open door. It's like finding what you're looking for. We've been waiting, we won't wait no more. Every season, every memory made, all the dreaming led us here today.
Patrick, kapag inaaway ka na ni Camille o Camille, kapag nagtatampo ka kay Patrick, please embrace each other. Kahit ayaw niyang magpayakap sa'yo, yakapin mo siya. Because that therapeutic embrace will give you the implicit way of reconciliation, acceptance, and at the same time will always bring you back to where you started.
Never felt my heart beat so wild while the sunset sets the
Congratulations, Pat. Oy, eto yung pinakamasayang araw mo. Alam ko magiging mabuti kang asawa.
every moment on it. We got a beautiful story, and we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.
I'm not just thankful, I'm overjoyed. Because
But I
finally,
promise to love you,
everything I
not
prayed,
just when it's easy,
everything
but
I
more
prayed
when
for
it's
has
hard.
name. And it's
I
you,
try to
my
listen,
Patrick.
I'll grow,
It's like
and I'll
running
walk with you in
through
faith.
an
See you, love
open
you.
door. It's like finding what you're looking for. We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story, and we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to. The best is yet to come.
This love, this us, is worth every second of the wait. I love you. Your wife, Camille.
One, two, 1, 2, 3.
Book 'em now, baby, your gas meal spell on me. I say book 'em now, baby, your gas meal spell on me. You got me doing funny things like a clown.
Galing tayo ng Germany. Cousin in law. Party din. Mami, pero madalas
Skirt with your brother's sloppy shirt. I admit it,
Siyempre,
I can't dig it. I still suck 'em. Book 'em now, baby, your gas meal spell on me. Book 'em now, baby, your gas meal spell on me. You got me doing funny things like a clown. Just look at me. When you wear your bell bottom pants, I just stand there in a trance. I can't move. You're in the groove. Would you believe, little girl, that I'm crazy about you? Not gone now with your bad self. Ooh. Baby's got the spells on me. Ooh, now mercy, mercy on me. Long hair and things. You got style, girl, that show is wild. You wear that coat and you're standing and posing. You got soul, you got too much soul. I just said you got the blues, said you got the blues, said you got the blues. Now casting your spell on me. But I said you got the blues, said you got the blues, said you got the blues. Now casting your spell on me. I said you got the blues, said you got the blues, said you got the blues. Now casting your spell on me. Ooh, and I said you got the blues, said you got the blues, said you got the blues. Now casting your spell on me. I said you got the blues, said you got the blues, said you got the blues. Now casting your spell on me. Book 'em now, baby, now.
Walk with you where you go. Anywhere I'll follow. I know you. I know you.
Sana maging masaya ako palagi.
Yes. Ay, wala.
Ay, nako, don't cry.
Alak ka na rin.
Ano?
Love you. Love you ko. Ito yung tissue ko. Ako niya.
May balag niya.
Ay, na.
Ay, kipinigit ah. Kamel, best wishes kaya nga do Patrick. Sana, nung ating magkamali kaya kayo, ating neto nga magpasensya. Ay tamo, love you.
Love you so much.
I can see who you are.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, gang. Support.
Hi guys! Galingan nyo guys!
Thank you, gang. Support at lugod yung kako. Kaya ang kako pa daw.
The best kayong adwa. Sobrang.
Kaya.
Hey! Group hug! Na kayo mag-alala kung makanano ko. Ngayon mga paborito. Kalagaran ako sobrang. Stop! Kaya gagadyo ko. No, love you so much. Wala ka. Sabi ko yung mag-cry.
Makeup.
No. Love you so much.
Julian, you gotta walk. That's your promise to Tita, okay?
go. You are my home, so just let me hold your hand.
Ay, ganoon pala. Congratulations, Pat.
Thank you.
Oy, eto yung pinakamasayang araw mo. Alam ko magiging mabuti kang asawa at mabuting anak.
Oo na.
Dahil mabuti kang anak. Congratulations. I love you so much.
Love you.
God bless.
Patrick, congrats.
Thank you.
Balo mo naman na yapin yung panyo na yung kain mo para kaya ka na kaya mo yung kaya ka masanting malyaring okasyon. Balo mo naman niyang nagdat mo kaya kami liguran dakat tunay anak. Kaya congratulations. Sana maging masaya yung kayo kong pamilya at parati yung kakayanin kay Diyos na pati yung MBA. Congratulations.
Thank you.
See you, Lovey.
Tayo po ay naririto upang saksihan ang isa sa mga pinakamahalagang pagpapahayag na pwedeng gampanin o ipahayag sa ating harapan ng mag-asawang ito na si Patrick at Camille. And that important proclamation is actually the most important manifestation of that love, of your love, I mean. Gusto niyo po bang makita kung ano ang itsura ng pagmamahal ng Diyos sa tao at sa mundo? Okay. Camille and Patrick, tayo kayo. Tignan niyo sila. Mga kapatid, tignan po ninyo ang mukha ni Camille at ni Patrick. Sila ang konkretong mukha ng pagmamahal ng Diyos sa tao at sa mundo. At kung gusto ninyong makita ang mukha ng pagmamahal ng Diyos, kapag medyo tumatanda na, tignan po ninyo ang mukha ng mga magulang ninyo. At kung gusto ninyong makita ang mukha ng pagmamahal ng Diyos, kapag matandang-matanda na, tignan ninyo ang mukha ng mga lolo at lola ninyo. Because once upon a time in their life, they do the same, or they did the same, na maging mukha ng pagmamahal ng Diyos sa mundo at sa tao. Palakpakan po natin ang mag-asawang ito. Pagkapari ko ha, huwag po sana ninyong hahayaan na maghiwalay ang dalawang ito. And I always place my hope in you. Sa inyo po isinanaalis, iniaalay at isinasaklay ang kinabukasan ng isa't isa. Camille, ikaw ba ay naparito ng may kusang loob at ipinapangako ang iyong sarili sa pag-ibig at pagsisilbi sa iyong asawa na si Patrick?
Yes po, Father.
Sigurado ka? Walang baril na nakatutok sa iyo.
Alam po.
Kayo ba ay pareho ng handa na palakihin, ingatan, gabayan at pagnubayan bilang mabubuting Kristiyano ang mga anak na ibibigay sa inyo ng Panginoon? Camille, tinatanggap mo ba si Patrick bilang iyong kabiyak sang-ayon sa batas na iniaatas ng ating simbahan?
Yes po, Father.
Ibinibigay mo ba ang iyong buong sarili bilang kanyang kabiyak?
Yes po, Father. Yes po.
Tinatanggap mo ba siya bilang iyong kabiyak sang-ayon sa iniaatas ng batas ng ating bayan?
Yes po, Father.
It is to stay in love and to remain in love forever. That is the most difficult thing about loving. Even though it is the most difficult thing about loving, as you continue your journey being together, there is only one key to sustain your togetherness. And that is, or those are your reasons. Yung mga dahilan ninyo bakit kayo ikakasal. Patrick, bakit mo papakasalan si Camille? Ano ang dahilan? Why did you ask her sweetest yes? And Camille, why did you give your sweetest yes to him? Ano ang dahilan? Pwede ba naming malaman?
Dahil po Father, mahal na mahal ko siya. Siya po yung pinaka nakita ko pong mapagmahal sa pamilya.
Mahal na mahal mo siya at nakikita mo sa kanya na mapagmahal siya sa pamilya. Okay. Camille?
Same din po. Malugod ya po. Malugod.
Simply at malugod. Patrick, potang yan na nakasikaso, potang kakatak niyang kakatak, potang yan na nakapalwalan. I hope you will never forget that reason. Patrick, tinatanggap Ibinibigay mo ba ang iyong buong sarili bilang kanyang kabiyak?
Yes po, Father.
Tinatanggap mo ba siya bilang iyong kabiyak sang-ayon sa iniatas ng batas ng ating simbahan?
Yes po, Father. Love, isuot mo ang singsing na ito na siyang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan ngayon at magpakailanman. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Love, isuot mo ang singsing na ito na siyang tanda ng ating pag-ibig at katapatan ngayon at magpakailanman. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo.
Honey, we got a moon that's full and a dance floor made of grass. Your blue eyes make me wanna make this evening last. Put on an old song, put on that new dress. Tomorrow's coming, but it ain't here yet. We got stars outside, just you and I got this feeling rising to the ceiling, singing. Feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you.
Father kanina, kayo ang isang patunay ng pagmamahal ng Diyos. So it is amazing to see two people come together and make a commitment to spend the rest of their lives together.
Just don't let go. I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing down and you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me. I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing down and you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight.
To both of you, yako po ing meka-witness kay karelang love story. I can say kung epoka ako, wala tapong ni Kenny. Kasi po, yako po ing taga-push kay sister kong medyo lumandi na. Charot. Kasi po, medyo conservative ya po sister. So, kanta pong maglolo Patrick, burimi ya pong mumunta kaya kami kasi lagi ang magdalang pasalubong. Kaya po pala, Buriana ni Camille. Kasi po, magdalaya laging food. Ikamil po, Eyo po ako kutang, dakal po meglolo kaya. Kaso po, long distance la po rin meglolo kaya, ating pong taga Chicago, ating taga Hawaii, ating taga Dubai. Ngini po pala, taga Dilaya, amit na ne po palang high school. Ngini po, I want to welcome Patrick as my brother-in-law. Keng pong less than 2 years or 2 years? Less than 2 years na kilala kay Patrick, sabi ko pong maswelo yung wali ko. Kasi po, mapasensya yung Patrick, ikamil po kasi medyo kabwisita niya. Charat! Iya po pala yung bride ngeni, kaya po pala nanakbag. So, we wish ko po, Karela, that you start your journey as may kapampangan ko. Timpo palang Tagalog. Sorry, guys. Pa-translate nyo na lang kay Camille mamaya, guys. Sorry. So, wish ko kaya kayo na bawasan ng kabisitan at mahabang pasensya because this is a start of a journey na hindi na patwitams lang, love lang. You know, marami pa tayong pagdadaanan as a married couple. Ang wish ko, sana dakalan nyo rin paunakan ko and mag-OT na kayo. Overtime. That's it. Thank you po!
First of all, on behalf of the newlyweds, I'd like to thank each and every one of you, families, relatives, and friends, for being here to witness this special day. And to everyone who helped make this wedding so beautiful and memorable, maraming salamat po. Ate Kams, you look absolutely stunning tonight. And Kuya Pat, you look handsome. Just like me. This is actually my first time po being a best man. I'm truly grateful for this opportunity kahit medyo kinakabahan po ako. Let's go for it. Next slide, please. So, let me introduce myself. I'm architect Renmark Guanlao. And for those planning to build or design a home, alam nyo na po ang tatawagan nyo. But you can call me Mac. Fun fact, it was actually Kuya Pat who gave me that nickname when we were kids. Sabi niya po kasi, ang hirap bigkasin ng Renmark, kaya Mac na lang daw po. Thanks for that, bro. I'm 30 years old, not married yet, but taken. Sorry, girls. Shout out to my beautiful girlfriend, Cyril. And yes, I proudly stand here tonight as the handsome cousin of Kuya Pat. Sorry guys. Sa mga pinsan ko dyan, ako muna. Next slide please. So I have the vision and mission. Vision to deliver the best man speech for this special day of the newlyweds. Mission to give honor and celebrate the couple and create a joyful, memorable moment for everyone. Next slide, please. So let's get know the groom. His full name is Patrick Guanlao Senya. Nickname Pat, and sometimes Trek. Patrek? He's 32 years old. He loves watching movies. An opposite side of me, na kahit hindi pa tapos ang pelikula, nakakatulog na po ako. He's also a big basketball fan, especially paglaban po ng Ginebra. Yes, hanggang ngayon, never say die pa rin po kami. Sa NBA naman po, ang idol niya ay si Steph Curry. Dito kami hindi nag-match ng iniidolo dahil kay Lolo Bron the GOAT ako. Next slide po. I want to share a few pictures po namin nung bata pa kami. May picture pa po kami ng mga lolas. Ututane pa po yung daliri ng Kuya Pat. Okay, next slide po. Pictures of us po with my parents. Kung napansin nyo po dyan, maputi po si Kuya Pat. Tsaka kulot. Kulot po siya ngayon. Ay, nung maliit pa siya. Opo, kulot. Outfit check tayo dyan, Kuya Pat. Tignan mo. Naka-jumper tayo while holding hands. Next slide, please. Okay. Back. Okay. So the biggest question, is the groom chick boy? Tikams. Yes, pandemic days. Chick boy po talaga siya. Sorry, bro.
Chicken.
May biyasa kami menyeseng manok. Kidding aside, Ate Kams, I guarantee this to you. Kuya Pat is a loyal man. He's not chick boy, he's a lover boy. Talakad tayo pa yung bandera to. Next slide, please. The other one po. Back. Okay. So, I remember those times na gumagawa tayo ng basketball court. Gagawa tayo ng net, ng ring na gawa lamang sa tela. Hahanap ng tuwid na pang poste para pag walang nahanap, isasabit na lang natin sa puno ng mangga. Maglalaro ng one-on-one, minsan lang manalo, madalas lagi akong talo. But for me, those childhood memories are still the best. So, on behalf of my sisters, I would like to thank Kuya Pat for being our kuya. You've been like a brother to us. But what always stood out about Kuya Pat was his heart. He's always been the kind of guy who shows up, who has your back no matter what. And now, watching him stand here with Ate Kams, I see that same loyalty, that same big heart, now fully committed to someone who truly brings out the best in him. And today, I could not be prouder of the man who have become and the life you're about to build with Ate Camille. I love you both, guys. With that,
Aral ka na akong paunakan, nga sabi ko mo Karela, sana i-enjoy mo kayong, nung naluman kayong pamikaintindihan, bisabihan nyo. Ali, yung metong maliliari buray, kailangan bigayan kayo. Ito mo nga sabi ko kayo, habang halawang nak-enjoy mo.
Thank you, Papa.
Congrats, Rex and Camille. Diyos ko kaya kayo, may kalugod kayo forever. Nga naman yung problema yun, kang Lord, kayo manyad sao. Atin ako paboren. Pagpalain na kang Lord at gabayan at ingatan na kayo palagi. God bless you.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Patrick and Camille. Sana maging masayang pamiyabeyo. At sa masnan yung pamiyabeyo, nung ditak mong epika intindihan, solusyonan yung agad. Natural mo ka rin miyasaway tang makanitang bagay. At sana, di na kayong anak agad, Lord. At siyempre, God bless kay kayong adwa. Congratulations and best wishes. Kaluguran na kayong pareho. God bless.
Maraming salamat po, Ninong Roberto, Ninang Helena, and Ninang Gloria.
Hello. Bayo ko mag-whisky. Pa-thank you pa po ka rin bisita. Ganaganang bisita po. Dakal pong dakalan salamat. Karen friend, mga friend ni Camille, taga Maynila. Maraming salamat. Love you, Meng. Patrick, love you. Sana magpakarami kayo.
Yes.
Huwag mag-aaway. Walang magsisimangot. Okay, God bless.
Thank you,
Thank you. Ikaw.
Uy, hindi na naman po. Diyos ko. Maya Pebengi po, dakal pong dakala, salamat ka rin pong tinagon. Nung pong ating kulang, kayo na pong gaganap. Wish ko kayo nak, na kumaga. Sinawa na, mas na ako salo. Sana may utos kong masalese, pabore ning matutut kayo ko isasabi.
Correct.
At saka, gawa yung kung dakalaya po. Okay. I love you.
Love you.
Bilabas yun.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Marami pong salamat sa pagdala nyo sa kasal nila Patrick and Camille. Congratulations, Pat and Camille. Sana lalong tumibay ang inyong pagmamahalan sa isa't isa. At sana magkaroon na ako ng maraming apo. Thank you and I love you. God bless us all.
Maya Pabengi po kay Katamungan. Thank you po kayong pamagdalo ng kasal na di Patrick and Camille. Congratulations Patrick and Camille. Maging mikalugod kayo mo at eko magkaiking ay kakalingon nga pong gino na isentro yekem beyo. At ikong maging kakainin pamilyayo na luguran nyo rin anak yu. God bless.
Maraming salamat po sa mga magulang po ng ating bagong kinasal. We have the uncle of our groom, Mr. Renato, and the mother of our groom, Ms. Loretta. At ang mga magulang po ng ating bride, Mr. and Mrs. Rodolfo and Monica Guevara. Palakpakan naman po natin silang muli. Thank you!
Hello po. Thank you. Thank you so much po talaga. Lalong-lalo na po Karen Penga, Rimi, Kareng Tita at Bapo, special ate, special ninang-ninong po na pinayag na mamiblas po ngayon Aldo. Kaya mi po talaga na depong kapatid, dading mama ko yung tatang ko, dahil kunan miya po, depong special po kaya kami. Thank you po at pinayag kayo. Kareng bridesmaid and groomsmen mi, thank you, yung suporta at lugod. Sobra. Thank you. Kareng friends ko, okay, top friends, grabe, solid kayo. Love you all. MP, Team MP, thank you. Grabe. Palo yung ni. Pero thank you. Thank you all. Tapos,
Thankful friends ko. Nakasalamat. Mag-anak niya po. Workmates dati. Salamat. Ako po rin ang coordinator ni. Dakal po salamat. Ang Obra Events. Ang po photog ni and the daily portraits po. Dakal po salamat. Ako po rin dito. Tapos din, igan-agan ng mag-organize kayo kasi ako po yung Casa Esmeralda. Dakal po salamat.
Handa na, walang hingahan, walang bitawan para mapagmamahal niya sa bawat isa. In 1, 2, and 3. Everybody 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That formally ends our program for tonight. To Patrick and Camille, congratulations and best wishes, everybody. It's party time!
My lovey, my husband, Mr. Senya. Mrs. Senya is here, finally. Finally, love, at tinakang kakilala na apelido. Umpisan tayong malugod, masaya, kumpleto, ingkakatamong ang pamilya. Every time I think of you, two phrases always in my mind. My answered prayers and true love waits. Everyone knows me, family and friends. They all know how long I've waited for something like this, for someone like you. They've seen how much I've prayed, not just for love, but for the right kind of love. Itang taong mapagpasensya, agyong i-handle ing kakulitan and kamalditahan ko. The one na alimuya ko ing luguran na, pati din pamilya ko. The kind that doesn't rush and understands. And now that you're here, all those waiting years suddenly make sense. Grabe no? Who would have thought na yung matagal ko na palang pinagdarasal, matagal ko na palang kilala. At suya pala Lelen, ang elementary ko. Classmate ka pa, high school. But I guess God really makes everything beautiful in His perfect time. And now that you're here, I'm not just thankful, I'm overjoyed. Because finally, everything I prayed for has name, and it's you, my Patrick. I vow na maging mabuting asawa kay ako, suportahan and luguran ako. Ako pangako, ako ma-beast mode and dragon mode, but I promise to love you, not just when it's easy, but more when it's hard. I'm gonna listen. I'll grow and I'll wait with you in faith, hand in hand. Thank you for being my answered prayer and my forever. I can't wait to start this new chapter with you and build a life that we'll be both proud of. This love, this us, it's worth every second of the wait. I love you.
My love, una, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon sa pagbigay at pagtupad niya sa panalangin ko. Ito ang araw na kasama kang haharap at mangangako sa Kanya sa altar. Nangangako ako sa Diyos na mamahalin ka, hahalagaan, laging iintindihin, susuportahan at sabay nating ialay ang lahat sa Kanya. Sa hirap man o ginawa, pangako ko sa iyo, aarapin natin ito na magkasama. Naniniwala akong lahat ng pagsubok na darating ay ating kakayanin. Dahil may mabuting Diyos na laging gagabay sa atin. My love, salamat king 22 months nang yeni maging forever na. Salamat kasi ikay yung kinumpleto, yung kauluganing masayang biye. Ikay yung pinakamasanting na dintang at milyari kayong biye ko. Habang buhay kong pasalamat king Ginoo na iking binye ng biggest blessing. Kimbiya ko. Asahan mong kapag matwata na, iya ko pa rin yung lagi mong abe, at yung siping mo, laging mamantabe. Kakwentuhan, karing masasayang milyari keng biyeta. Lagi mong tandanan at yung mo lagi Kenny, para kaya ka. Kaluguran na kaluguran daw, hanggang hangga. Love you so much, my love.